Okay, I just got BB this new bed because the other one was too small, and his first instinct, her first instinct is always to destroy. Just can't, lay down and relax. We've been outside playing with the frisbee, going for a walk for almost an hour. And that was after the visit to PetSmart, and that was after going for like a 15-minute walk. But here we are, 9 o'clock at night, still going strong. Isn't that right, BB? Take it to your bed and then chew it up. Because that's what you do. She dropped the frisbee pretty readily when I had treats. But I don't have treats right now. No, I don't. I wish I could capture the crazy spurt, but there's no way I could keep it in frame, I think. I don't know how people do it. This will probably last maybe a half hour, maybe more. She finally gives up, goes to sleep. Fun, fun, fun.